NHS science videos. This is Microbial Zoo Part 2. Do you remember the investigation we did where we took swabs of different surfaces? Some of them had been washed and others were completely uncleaned. Well, here we have the results. I bet you can't wait to find what's growing in the Petri dishes. Let's start with this one. This was an unwashed surface. Can you see that mould growing in there? That doesn't look very nice at all. Then another one, another unwashed surface. Not mould this time, but bacteria. Can you see those coloured circles? That's the bacteria growing. I can see 3 different colours there, so we have at least 3 different types of bacteria growing in our Petri dish. If we have a look at the surface that I just splashed with a bit of water, much like we might do if we just want to rinse our hands quickly under the tap or just wipe something with a bit of water, well, there's still bacteria growing on there. So splashing with water is not effective at getting something clean. This one I washed with soap and water for 20 seconds. Much like we're frequently reminded to wash our hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds these days. I can see a bit of condensation inside the dish, but I cannot see any microorganisms growing in there, which is very good news. This one is the surface that I treated with the sanitising gel that we use in the classrooms. Again, there's a bit of condensation in there, but absolutely no microbial growth, which is excellent. So let's have a look again at these ones with the unwashed surfaces. Now, we don't know whether there were also any viruses on the surface that I swabbed. There might have been, but once they would have been put inside the Petri dish, they wouldn't have been able to survive very long. So we can't see whether there were any viruses on those surfaces. But this could be your phone, your iPad, the stair banister, a light switch, all these types of things, a door handle that we touch many times a day that's in common use. And all these microorganisms could very easily be on those surfaces. So we have seen here a very good reminder that we should carry on washing our hands.